Welcome back. You're now looking at the sign up form for a specific list inside of MailChimp. You want to be very intentional about what happens when an individual is signed up to your list using a sign up form. And regardless of which autoresponder company you use, you're going to want to take a look at these settings. Now, in particular, in MailChimp, when you use a sign up form, you're going to need to use this drop down menu and you're going to need to look at the confirmation thank you page. And the confirmation thank you page is going to look like this when the customer is signed up. You can also send the customers to a specific URL. And so you want to think about where you want to send that individual. Do you want to send that individual to a thank you page with a generic message? Or do you want to send the individual, as soon as they sign up, to a page where you're going to have a sales message? This is going to be individual to everyone, but you do want to be intentional about how this happens. When you are using a page builder and you're using an autoresponder integrating into that page builder, you need to consider how the page builder is going to be structured and the experience of the individual that will be signing up. In this case, with this page builder, whether we use double opt-in or not, the individual can be sent to a specific thank you page URL from signing up using this specific page, even though they're going to be added to an autoresponder that has its own set of systems. And so you need to take a very close look at your page builder and what happens to the individual when they actually sign up to your email marketing list. You'll see these same sets of parameters when you're using another autoresponder such as GetResponse. You see you're going to be setting a specific thank you page when the individual signs up, or you're going to be customizing the specific thank you page where you're going to have the individual sent. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.